how to open GO2bank account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can basically open up a bank account or maybe an account on GO2bank, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to go ahead and then open an account on GO2bank, all you have to do is first of all just come to the go2bank.com website. I'll also make sure to drop a direct link down in the description box below. Once you come to the go2bank.com website, you're going to be able to see this type of interface by default, where you have to click this open an account button that you can see, or you can click on open account here. Once you click on the open an account button, on the next page it will take you to this page where you can simply select this I'm not a robot captcha, and once you select this captcha you can click on the get started option. So first step, of course, make sure to go ahead and then enter your email address. So let me also go ahead and then do that. Once you've entered your email address, what you basically want to do is on the bottom you'll find another option known as continue. So just make sure to click the continue option here. Once done, on the next page what you need to do is make sure to enter your first name as well as your last name. So just go ahead and make sure to enter your first name as well as also your last name here. Once you enter first name and last name, click on continue. After you've done that, make sure to enter your address. Once you've entered your address, agree to the terms and conditions, and after you've done that, what you need to do is click on the continue option. Once you click on the continue option, right over here you should be able to go ahead and then basically find in all the details respectively. So just go ahead and click the continue option here. Once you click on continue, after that make sure to enter your mobile number and fill in other details, and your account will get successfully created. This way you can create an account on GO2bank. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end, and see you soon in the next video.